Very good morning, madam.
Okay, a very good morning. Can I see your CV, please?
Yes, sure.
Yes. Let me go through your CV. Yes, quite nice. Yeah, tell me something about yourself.
Yes, sure. My name is Shri Sapre. I am from Ratnagiri, but currently I live in Pune because of my study or job purpose. I successfully completed my graduation from Mumbai University in 2023. After that, I took my admission for MBA at MIT University. During the MBA, I completed certification course like Google Analytics, blog writing, content writing, social media post, and I also completed my SEO means search engine optimization course. That's it, man.
Tell me about your family background.
I belong to nuclear family. We have a family of four. My father is a businessman. My mother is a housewife. My grandmother is a retired teacher, and I am single child person.
What your strength?
My strengths are I'm a self motivated person. I believe in myself. That's it.
What are your weakness?
My weakness is I trust quickly on people. I help everyone, but in my bad time, no one has supported me and stand with me.
Okay. So what is your goal right now?
My short term goal is to get good job in a well known company, which fulfill my economic needs and which is complete my improve my career growth in proper way.
Okay. So you're into digital marketing. Tell me something about Google Analytics.
Yes, sure, man. Google Analytics means it is a tool that helps a website owner to understand how many people use their website. It is a testing like how many people visit their website. They what they look at the page and how they long stay in website. In short, it is a Google Analytics.
What is Google Analytics application name and where can we see it?
Yes, definitely, ma'am. You can check in Google and you can direct check in Google, and also you can visit Chrome browser. It is the best site to gain your knowledge about Google Analytics. That's it, Google Analytics, ma'am.
Okay. So in digital marketing, SEO plays an important role. So tell me something about SEO.
Yes. SEO means search engine optimization. Search engine optimization. It is all about making your website more visible, stronger, and high rank on a search engine like Google, Chrome, Yahoo, and Bing. It create your website. By create your website, content and structure are using right keyword to make user friendly. In short, that is SEO.
Tell me about content writing or content creating in short.
Yes, content writing, it is a process of making various type of content like articles, videos, short videos, and yeah, social media post, and it connect with audience, and it helps to build their trust easily.
What is blog writing?
Blog writing means it is a creative article on a website about various topic. It shares your knowledge, your experience, your my thinking of mind, and your no your okay. Blog writing means it is a creating article on a website about various topic. It shares your knowledge, your experience, and your thoughts with others. That's it, ma'am.
Why should I hire you, Sri?
As I'm fresher, I don't have experience, but I am a quick learner and I am hard working person. I am ready to learn new things. Your requirement match my skill set. So that's why you should hire me, ma'am.
Yes, you can wait at the reception and then we'll have a technical round also. So from my end, from the HR round, it's done with. All the best, Shri.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.